Fact Fuse is back with a fresh batch from May 4th to May 10th. So sit back and enjoy some facts. May the 4th be with you. If that phrase sounds familiar, chances are you've crossed paths with the Star Wars universe. Whether through movies, memes, or that one friend who insists on doing Wookiee impressions. May 4th is celebrated worldwide as Star Wars Day, all because of a clever pun on the famous line, "May the Force be with you." What started as a fan-made celebration turned into a global pop culture event. Today, people mark the occasion by dressing up, hosting movie marathons, and even attending Star Wars-themed events at schools, offices, and theme parks. Whether you're a lifelong Jedi or you've just seen a lightsaber at a party, Star Wars Day is a fun excuse to revisit one of the most influential film series ever made. After all, it's not just about space battles, it's about hope, resilience, and believing that even a farm kid from a desert planet can change the universe.
Obi-Wan, may the Force be with you.
Goodbye, old friend. May the Force be with you.
It's May 5th, so don't be surprised if you see tacos on the table, mariachi in the streets, and festive colors everywhere. Cinco de Mayo has become a celebration of Mexican culture, food, and pride, especially in North America. But here's the twist. A lot of people think it's Mexico's Independence Day. It's not. That's actually on September 16th. What Cinco de Mayo really commemorates is the Battle of Puebla in 1862. When a smaller Mexican force pulled off a stunning victory against the French army. While it's not a major holiday in most parts of Mexico, it gained momentum in the US in the 1960s and 70s, largely as a symbol of Mexican-American identity and culture pride. So today, whether you're dancing, eating, or just soaking in the vibe, remember, it's not about independence, but about spirit. On May 6, 1954, Roger Bannister did something the world thought was impossible. He ran a mile in under 4 minutes, clocking it at 3 minutes 59.4 seconds. Before that, people believed the human body just couldn't handle that kind of speed over that distance. Some even said it was physically dangerous. What makes this achievement stand out is the precision and strategy involved. Bannister was a medical student at the time, and he applied knowledge of psychology, physiology, and pacing to master the challenge. While his record was broken just 46 days later, the impact was far-reaching. Breaking the 4-minute barrier wasn't just about running faster. It shattered a mental wall, proving that once you break through the impossible, others will follow. Bannister's victory showed the world that the true limits aren't always physical. They're what we believe we can achieve. Let's shift from speed to elevation. Imagine standing on the highest point of every continent. Snow lashing against your face, oxygen thinning, and the world sprawling beneath your boots. On May 7, 1986, Patrick Morrow did just that, becoming the first person in history to climb the 7 summits. His epic journey spanned nearly a decade, beginning with Denali in the US, and Aconcagua in Argentina, Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, and Elbrus in Russia. After that, he tackled Kosciuszko in Australia, braved Vincent Massif in Antarctica, and finally reached the top of Mount Everest in Nepal, the most grueling and dangerous of them all. Climbing just one of these is a lifetime goal for many. Doing all 7 takes years of planning, physical endurance, and mental resilience. Morrow didn't just conquer mountains. He redefined what's possible and sparked a global quest that climbers still chase today. It's rare that humanity gets to say we defeated a disease, but on May 8, 1980, we did just that. On this day, the World Health Organization declared smallpox officially eradicated, the first disease in history to be completely wiped out. For centuries, smallpox was one of the deadliest threats on Earth, responsible for the deaths of hundreds of millions. But through an extraordinary global effort, spanning decades, continents, and countless health workers, the world came together to track, contain, and ultimately eliminate it. It wasn't just a medical achievement, it was proof that when nations unite behind a common goal, incredible things can happen. We've tackled deadly diseases like smallpox, but today we celebrate a mystery so perplexing that not even the brightest scientists can figure it out: the case of the missing sock. May 9th is National Lost Sock Memorial Day, a day to honor the countless socks that have mysteriously vanished from laundry baskets, dryers, and even our own drawers. We've all been there, half a pair of socks left behind, while the other disappears without a trace. Where do they go? Is there some kind of secret sock society hiding in the depths of our washing machines? No one knows. But today, we raise a sock in memory of those we've lost, and the hope that one day, socks everywhere find their way back to their rightful pairs. You spent all of May 9th searching for that missing sock, and by now, your room might look like a disaster zone. Well, now that you've accepted the sock's fate, it's time to take care of the mess. May 10th is National Clean Up Your Room Day, a day to restore order and tidy up the chaos. While the origins of this day are a bit unclear, it's believed to encourage everyone to take a moment to declutter and enjoy the benefits of organized space. Whether it's clothes scattered around everywhere or books piled up, this is the perfect excuse to declutter and feel more organized. A clean space not only looks better, but it can also help you feel more focused and energized. So grab a trash bag, throw on your favorite tunes, and turn your room into a space that feels as good as it looks. Who knows, you might even find that missing sock along the way. And that's a wrap for today. From tackling legendary athletic feats to cleaning up the chaos around us, there's always something interesting to celebrate. If you enjoyed the facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. What's your favorite quirky holiday? Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Until next time, keep enjoying the little moments, and we'll see you in the next episode.